This channel has gained 1 billion plus views in 3 months. And he is earning approximately 1 million from just YouTube. Yes, this is real, and he is making videos with little effort. This is much simple as eating. Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will create these types of shorts step by step. If you have no idea about creating shorts, don't worry, why I'm here absolutely to teach you. Without any further talk, let's begin. So the first step is creating a channel. You can simply create a channel. I hope you know how to create. So now we have to create logo and banner for our YouTube channel. You can use Canva free of cost for this purpose. Now that's it. Now move into second step. Where to find these type of videos? You can find these type of videos from Instagram and from TikTok or Facebook. It's easy. Go to Instagram and keep scrolling for 3 to 4 minutes, and you will find at least one video just like I found this video, and now I will download it. Just search Instagram video downloader on Google and paste the link and click on download. Must use higher resolution. It will engage viewers. Now we will create voice over it. You can write first script according to your video, and then you can record it with your mic. And if you don't want to use your own voice, then you can use text to speech, but I prefer using your own voice. I have already created one. Now add your video to your video editor. I will use CapCut import your video, and now we will create captions that are too important because this is now have become a trend. For creating auto captions, click on text section and then auto captions. CapCut will create these captions in less than a minute, but these are not looking good. But don't worry, we will fix it. Arrange these captions in an order, then one word will appear in one line, just like I am doing. After this finished, use some bold font and set the font size to 22 or 23. It look good and easy to read. That's it. Now our video is ready, but before we publish it, we will create its title and description and tags. Use rapidtags.io tags. Now, just paste it into YouTube and wait for your turn to be viral. That's it for today's video. If you watched till here, then subscribe to channel for more videos like this. And comment down, how was the video? See you in next video.